We're gonna win the league. We're gonna win the league. No matter what they say or do, we're gonna win the league. One result away from league title number 20 for Liverpool. And we're hearing this nonsense about us winning the worst league title and the most uncompetitive and boring title race ever, and blah, blah, blah. All because other teams failed to compete. They want to blame Liverpool for that. I wonder if people realize that Liverpool could still end up with as much as 94 points and could end up only losing 2 games for the season. They are on track to end up with a superior goal difference of plus 40 plus. Now, on which planet, in which universe, would that not be a dominant and impressive league season for Liverpool? You know what? It no matter what they want to say. Guess what? We're gonna win the league. We're gonna win the league. No matter what they say or no. We're gonna win the league. We're gonna win the league. We're gonna win the league.